Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CELZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's very nice movement, definitely a lot of updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, though, and get rid of a bunch of these lines. Sure, they all pertain to the chart that I'm deleting, but just from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere you look. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. And the first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So one of the newest areas of support that was established after today is right there at 0.028. Another level, and this is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 0.033. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0.033, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to actually stay above that level, that would definitely be a big sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back, and I think I talked about this level in yesterday's video, but if not, just get used to it because I'm going to continue to talk about it because it does a great job of making, monitoring the overall trend very straightforward. And that's the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scheme of things perspective, sure, it would be great for the price to stay above 0.033. However, as long as it's above that purple line, as that line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those. Doesn't really matter. And I say that because what does matter is what the price has been doing. As long as the price builds higher lows, builds higher bases, then as you've witnessed, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building those higher lows and then just sit back and let the trend build itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.